Masquera say Moria Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zinc Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanga kukuya panini channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. As Moria Zimbabwe takigira nyaya kupisa nyaya netsa nyaya ya Mubaiwa. Mubaiwa yarukunzi arambirwa nyaya yake ikuti pamiswe ongoing criminal trials ake on medical grounds and zaramba High Court yaramba kuterera chichemo cha Mary Mubaiwa. Nyaya alizobuda zvakare since Mary Mubaiwa is protecting President Mnangagwa, and Chiwenga made it clear kuti Mary had disclosed handler he was going to let it go, and that's Mary arikuramba and akaramba she's trying to protect President Mnangagwa. Nyaya yabuditswa Majara Jairos Oyabuda achitara chiti Chiwenga's ex-wife Mary Mubaiwa's bid to vote her ongoing criminal trials on medical grounds hit a snag at Harare High Court. I don't know why Mubaiwa is protecting Emerson Mnangagwa. Chiwenga made it clear, disclose your handler and I will let you go. Iye ari kuramba ndo nyaya yabuditswa na Majara Jairos muri Zimbabwe tisingazive kuti nyaya chokwadere kana kuti nyaya yawanikwa ichibhekwa ne one of my ex users yanonzi Chimama abuda achitara achiti they know the handler wa Mary Mubaiwa abuditsa an article yakambobuda Mary achitara achitakapiwa $30,000 na President Emerson Mnangagwa kuti awanikwa achinoenda kuChina muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa ichinzi President Mnangagwa fingered former First Lady Grace Mugabe a couple of times, but this time it is his turn as his number two's erstwhile wife has fingered him in the raging externalization debacle. Mary Mubaiwa is unexpectedly turning the tables against NPF Supremo President Emerson Mnangagwa. The accused, Mary Chiwenga, came to hospital with intent to cause serious harm to the complainant. She ordered security personnel to excuse her, saying that she wanted privacy with her husband, Constantino Chiwenga. The accused and the complainant were left alone together. The accused removed the intravenous giving set as well as the central venous catheter, causing the complainant to bleed profusely. Mary Chiwenga was then forced off the bed and intercepted by security forces. Hospital staff responded to the incident and resuscitated the condition of the patient. Mary's legal team filed appeal and bail papers at the High Court yesterday, Wednesday, describing the former model and video vixen's arrest over attempted murder and externalization as hilarious and baseless. Mary fingered President, telling the court that Mnangagwa, gave her $30,000 to go to China and visit the ailing Chiwenga right after the alleged attempted murder. Ndo nyaya yakabuditswa muri Zimbabwe na Chimama ndifuna munongoona article iyo yatakuratidzai tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi chingaa chiri chokwadi. Is Mary protecting President Emerson Mnangagwa? Kutaura kwatiri kuita the Pindula News yabuda ichitaura about the incident yaitika High Court apo pari kunzi Judge Justice Priscilla Kwenda vari kuexpect to receive an update regarding my investigations aitwa Nene State into Mary Mubaiwa's request for a permanent stay of her trial muri Zimbabwe. Zviri kunzi President Constantino Chiwenga's ex-wife vari kufambira nyaya dzekuti prosecution yavo iwanikwe ichidzikiswa, hanzi vachitaura ivo vachiti health yavo haina kukodzera kuti vange vachifambiswa nekupiwa mutongo yavoda kupiwa. Ndofunga Beatrice Mutetwa lawyer rake vakabuda vachitaura nemajournalist vachitaura ivo vachiti zvinoomera mushe the state yakafaila to uphold the agreed upon documentation, ndozvakaitika kuti this issue iwanikwe ichimbomiswa muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa ne the Pindula News vachitaura ivo vachiti the High Court Judge Justice Priscilla Kwenda is expected to receive an update on Friday regarding the state's investigations into Mary Mubaiwa's request for a permanent stay of her trial. Mubaiwa The ex-wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga sought a permanent stay of prosecution last year, citing poor health. A lawyer, Beatrice Mtetwa, told journalists in Harare on Wednesday that the hearing was initially scheduled for the day, but was postponed due to the state's failure to upload the agreed upon documentation. The judge indicated that the investigation outcomes would help determine whether Mubaiwa's prosecution should be halted, said Mtetwa. There was a case management today. There are investigations which the judge said were necessary to be done before he can decide whether or not our application of permanent stay should succeed or not. So, when we were last in court, he said we should agree that the investigation should proceed, and we exchanged correspondence and agreed on the issue and sent the issues to the prosecution department on 12 December. Unfortunately, for some reason, they did not upload it or scan and send it to the judge, although it was an agreed document. So we are coming back on Friday 10 so that the judge can be updated on where we are with that process. Mubaiwa, who has been battling poor health for over 5 years, is unable to stand trial or provide instructions to her lawyer due to her conditions. She suffers from lymphedema, a disease that has caused her to lose both her limbs. As a result, the former model is now confined to a wheelchair. Mubaiwa is facing serious charges, including attempting to kill Chiwenga while he was critically ill and hospitalized in South Africa. She is also accused of money laundering. However, a trial has been delayed largely due to her ongoing health issues. Zimbabwe the Pindula News tisingazive kuti munhu uyoona sei nyaya iyi. This is the latest picture. Ramiri Mubaiwa akabudidzwa ari kuchipatara, ari kuratidza kuti gumbo rake rinoomera mushe ndofunga murungoona kusviba kwaraita riri kunzi rinogona kuambitetwa kana kuri kunzi the disease yaenderera mberi muZimbabwe. Tisingazive tinoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.